Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Holden Colorado LX Extra Cab, stock reference number 3867. This shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a 10H9E V6 petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 10H9E V6 petrol engine, 6-cylinder. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand side. The bonnet appears to have no damage, just has a light paint fade. Right-hand headlight has sun cracks. Radiator grille. It's got a TJM aftermarket alloy nudge bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right, left-hand headlight also has sun cracks. Left guard flared type, appears to have no damage. Left front 15-inch steel rim, good tyre. Left power door mirror, colour coded. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light in good condition. Tailgate has one small dent. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has light wobbles and one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, flared type, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a 5-speed manual gear shifter, 5-speed manual gear knob, factory heater controls, left sun visor, jack and tool kit, suit extra cab, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.